So we're rotating the car to paint it, but every time we move it, it sounds like that ominous bit in a movie where something bad's about to happen. Watch. There's more out there, John.
Oh my God.
Can you hear that?
John, they're out there.
What are we gonna do?
They're coming.
This summer.
And it's not.
Oh no, it's gone, is it? No, hang on. This summer, you better run away.
Oh, we're so easy entertaining. That was so fun.
Keep doing it, it's great. Bigger. Scarier.
There's a real heavy portion here.
Are we good? We're good. Boom. That noise.
Yeah. This summer.
This summer.
And
That's Ireland proof. Probably not, but
6 months later. The rust is back.
the rust is back. You can't stop the rust in cinemas April. Make a horror movie about a twin cam. So we're peeling off the masking off the places that need to be actually painted with the black. So up the top of the shock terrier. I don't want to peel that stuff off. It's nicely in there, but it's gotta go. It's gotta go, John. It's gotta go. This summer, the biggest horror movie is buying an A86.
I like to drive.
The Achilles heel of the 86. It's living there forever. If that comes off, the whole car is going to fall apart. Shit off.
What's any fucking see like around the edges? Like
That's what I was saying, yeah.
I'll fucking peel the edges.
So yeah, we've left this for a few days and it's starting to get duller and duller, but the sealer and the paint is still kind of gone off. You can fucking smell it. Rusty there. 6.
Yeah. Yeah, like it's already like mostly fully scotched all inside, everything, all the roof and stuff. Oh, that's been in there now quite some time. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Sound.
Meanwhile, back at the ranch.
Meanwhile, we're idiots.
We did some donuts in the new drift shitter, and we blew the rad straight away. Don't damage.
No, I'll end up breaking the fan.
Stupid BMWs.
Do we need some hoses off that? Yeah, we do. It's a good fucking stick.
Yeah, I made it go through the car now instead.
Good.
Where's Josh when you need him? I hate when Josh goes on holidays. Who do you think he is like?
That was a very fast job.
Could have been faster. Then absolutely.
If we were really lazy, we could jack the front of it up and slide the fan up into it. Put this rubbish in our micro bin, which didn't last long. Slowly getting filled with shite. Oh, the neck of that. Sadly, this didn't have a long life with us. Yeah, there's a lot of random shit in there.
Right, just work away there, lads. You push it back?
Yeah. Dangerous. If I let the stick go, you're in trouble.
Hands are chopped off. Oh. We're crushing some cans.
I'd say we're alright there, lads.
Alright.
That's the best thing ever, that stick.
That is high quality. Oh. Yeah, I got working with here. Yeah, it's, that should be alright for a minute. Or the power of Micra. Yeah, thanks.
Go!
Ticking over like a baby. It has it all, man. Everything you need, skids. Ah, it looks full, like still full to the top. That clip there was me being a moron with a BMW. I thought that the radiator wasn't pressurized, so I opened the cap while the car was on, and it sprayed hot coolant all over my face. That was great. We're overdoing it on the sealer with the car because we're trying to give it the best chance possible. How we're doing the car is we're painting the bottom of it, then we're painting the inside. We're going to assemble all that, and then we're going to get Barry to do the outside archwork, and then the car gets painted. So the last thing we're going to do is paint the outside of the car. Just in case you were wondering and you thought that we were going to paint the whole car in one go, that's not how we're doing it. We're not too far away from the Japan video either, so I'm going to try and make a bunch of episodes in a row to give me a month or two to just process the Japan video and try and start just getting it together, because it is an absolute monster of a project. Thanks for being along for the show. I really appreciate everyone tagging along and enjoying the build. I know it's slow and dragged out a lot more than other channels, but you know, finances in real life, this is just how long it takes to build this stuff. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, tell your friend, tell another friend. We're close to 100,000 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy, and we'll have to do something pretty funny for it. And as always, lads, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Goodbye.